Everybody, I'm Dutch, and I'm coming here from Dolly Sods. It's been a gorgeous hiking trip, and I wanted to show how I pack up my backpack. I'm sure that you guys may do it a little bit different, but maybe we can see a different way or see clue something in. So what goes on the outside in the mesh pocket, and I like a big mesh pocket, is stuff that either is going to be wet or I don't care if it gets wet, and also maybe something that I just want to have dry. Yesterday's socks. I have yesterday's socks out there, but I want my tree straps because they're going to be one of the very first things that I deploy. Another thing the first thing I'm going to deploy is my tarp. So I always keep that on the outside of my pack. I don't want to be pulling everything out of my pack in a rainstorm trying to get my tarp up. That way, once you can get your tarp up, you can get your pack underneath it. Always keep my pack cover, and I keep that very close towards the top. And last thing is I'll keep my rain gear out here because that way if there's a rainstorm I can deploy that without getting again into my backpack. I also keep my big plate in there, but it's mostly just because it's a convenient place to keep it. I keep fuel and water on one side. There's a bear rope. This is a little grill I got, and then this is my toiletries. So I like to keep, when I have pockets here in the front, headlamp, and then I like to keep bug spray over on the other side. So main compartment. I don't like backpacks with a lot of pockets and zippers, and I like one big pouch. So ULA is usually my go-to. If they have one of these sleeves for putting my bladder in, I will use it, but I don't find it terribly cumbersome just to lay it in the pack. I generally use, I might be a little bit old school, but I'm still using trash compactor bags. Even though I got a pack cover and everything, I want to make sure that the stuff that I have to keep dry stays dry. So I'm going to put in reverse order for what I want to take out. So the very last thing that I'm going to set up is my quilts. This is my under quilt, and I want to get that in there, and I want to try to cram some space in there. So I'm going to not only get it in there, but I'm going to go and turn it sideways so it takes up as much of the bottom as I possibly can. This is my top quilt. Again, I don't like really hard stuffed sacks. I don't like to get things really crammed in there because then you can't mesh them in and fill the area in the backpack real well. This is my hammock. We want to make sure that stays dry. And then this is my clothing bag. This could be down there. If I think I'm gonna need stuff, I'll keep it close to the top. If I think I don't need this, it's getting packed away. And then I fold down the trash compactor bag. One time I went and I had a water bladder leak into my trash compactor bag, and that soaked my quilts. So I try to learn from that, and anything above that has to be better space or can wind up getting wet. So food bag. This is a high priority item. And then I also keep, I always keep Pringles, salt and vinegar, and I like to keep some bagels. So I find the Pringles, you keep it towards the back there, works really well. The idea being that the heaviest item, the water, is real close to here. Keep really heavy items down towards the bottom, and want to keep them close to you. So thank you, everybody.